Reuters, Wall Street rebounded from last week a euro trademark S trade tariff-driven sell-off to open higher on Monday, taking comfort in comments from the Trump administration officials who stressed the trade dispute with China could be resolved through talks. The week also marks the start of earnings season with big U.S. banks such as J.P. Morgan Chase, JPMN, Citigroup, CN, and Wells Fargo, WFCN, set to report first quarter results on Friday. Investors expect tax cuts to help corporate America show its biggest quarterly profit growth in 7 years. Global markets came under pressure last week as the United States and China threatened each other with tens of billions worth of tariffs. Investors remained on edge as they feared protectionist measures would hit global economic growth. But Trump Euro trademark S chief economic advisor Larry Kudlow said in an interview on Sunday the ongoing spat Euro might turn out to be very benigna Euro. Trump echoed Kudlow Euro trademark S sentiment in a Twitter post that said any tariffs would be reciprocal and that he saw a great future for both countries. Euro one of the reasons why we Euro trademark seeing quite a strong rally at the opening is that the administration over the weekend, including Mr. Trump, basically tried to deflate the fears of a trade war. Euro said Peter Cardillo, chief market economist at First Standard Financial in New York. It appears the market has entered into a trading range and is basically fluctuating ahead of the earnings season. Euro. At 9:48 a.m. EDT the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was up 138.69 points, or 0.58%, at 24,071.45. The S&P 500 SPX was up 13.8 points, or 0.53%, at 2,618.27, and the Nasdaq Composite IXIC was up 67.97 points, or 0.98%, at 6,983.08. 10 of the 11 major S&P sectors were higher and 28 of the 30 Dow components were in the positive territory. Boeing, BAN, was the biggest to the Dow, while gains in Apple shares, AAPLO, led the gainers on the S&P 500. Avi's stock, AVXSO, rose 79% after Swiss drug maker Novartis, NOVNS, offered to buy the gene therapy company for $8.7 billion. Merck Euro trademark S, MRKN, shares rose 2.8% after the drug maker Euro trademark S blockbuster cancer drug, Keytruda, met the main study goal of helping previously untreated lung cancer patients live longer. Shares of Leucadia National, LUKN, climbed 7.5% after the company said it would sell most of its non-financial assets to focus on investment banking and capital market businesses. General Motors, GMN, was up 1% after Morgan Stanley raised it to a overweight Euro. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE for a 1.88 to 1 ratio on the upside. On the Nasdaq, 1,642 issues rose and 791 fell for a 2.08 to 1 ratio favoring advancers. The S&P 500 index showed no new 52-week highs and 1 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 17 new highs and 9 new lows.